So tonight we're gonna be making a vegetable medley to put on our tacos. We'll love to show you how to make it. Here we have some chopped spinach, some chopped arugula, and some sweet onions in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil.
And of course, everything's organic. At least almost everything, I when we cook, but this right here is organic.
We're making like a vegetable medley here. Now we're going to add some asparagus. Now for asparagus, it's perfectly fine to cook it in high heat, especially if you don't want it to get soggy on you. You want a little crunch. You want to cook it in high heat. Alright, so at this point we're going to start adding some seasonings. We're going to sprinkle some salt. Some organic ground turmeric. Organic curry powder. Some garam masala blend, another Indian type blend, a touch of cayenne pepper, not too much, just enough for a little kick, and some garlic powder, always a must. And we're going to stir that up. As you can see, our asparagus have gotten a really nice color, a nice roasted color. That's exactly what you want. And last, we're going to add some broccoli. You always want to add that last because it cooks very quickly. If you put it in first, then it's just going to get all mushy. You don't want that. We're going to mix that in there with a little bit more olive oil. It's okay to be generous with the olive oil. It's great for you. Okay, we're still leaving this on high heat. We're actually going to cover it for about a minute or two and just let it all get together. Yum, yum. One more ingredient that we're going to be adding is cream cheese. This is great to add right before you cover it. That way it has a chance to melt. You can leave it there, cover it, and then mix it in. Okay, so we're ready to check this out. Look at that, it has definitely softened. We're going to mix it in with the vegetables. After this step, you are ready. Alright, so this is how we decided to use our vegetable mix. We decided to do a taco. We used cassava flour from the Siete brand tortillas. We had some leftover salmon. We tossed that in there, made a homemade guac, and topped it off with some organic sour cream. You could do whatever you like with your vegetable mix. I'm sure you can find other options, but you're welcome to try this one. If you'd like to know how we made the salmon or the guac, give us a shout out and we'll make a video. Yum.